Can we talk about why 1 in 10 Americans have been scammed by a contractor, even with all of these trusted review platforms out there? A 2023 study found that this type of scam is on the rise. 34% of people reported low-quality work without a contract. 23% say they were given a low estimate, but costs went up significantly after work started. 13% said the contractor lied about permits. The list goes on. Now you might think, oh, they just hired someone without doing any research. But the people who were scammed found contractors 2 main ways: a referral from family or friends, 34%, or online searches, 29%. Now with most referrals, what's most likely happening is that the contractors were actually reputable at one time, but either their management has changed or the business fell in hard times. The online searches are interesting because most people will look at reviews online, whether it's Google or Angie's List or the Better Business Bureau. If you look up news stories about this, you'll find that most of these platforms can be manipulated by companies trying to make themselves look good. And there's the same problem as referrals, where a once highly reviewed business goes bad. But there's one platform that's doing things differently, and that's Directorii. We are completely free to use. Every contractor on Directorii has to apply and go through a background check, and every job booked on the site is insured up to $20,000. You can also buy more insurance if you want it, or have us compare quotes for you. So go check out Directorii if you were looking for a contractor. If nothing else, we want to be another source of information so you can make the best possible choice.